Okay. Actually, the key of that song is in the key of F. Okay, in the key of F. So what they are playing there is just a. So the hammer on from the La and the Do. Okay, from the La and the Do. So they strum from here like this, from the. Okay, the bar, the La chord there, the bar, the line. Okay. So they pick the La to hammer on the Do here. Okay. So you play again. La mi do. Okay, mi do. And you play again. Now go to your Va. This is your Va chord in the key of F. So they play. So the bar from the bar, the Do and the Va. Okay. This. Okay, that key of F. So the strum. The 2. Okay. You strum the 2. Then hammer on to the saw. Okay. This is a La. Va do La. Just like playing a Va chord. Okay. Then they play Mi Va. Okay. They hammer on from the Mi to the Va. Mi Va mi do La Va. Okay. Can play like this. Say the same thing, but you can't play like this so that the beauty of the song, okay, could be pronounced. Okay. This is a Va, okay, in the key of F. The slide from the mommy, mommy, Va, mommy, 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 Va, sol, la, si, do, re, mi. Okay. Mi, mo, va, sol, la, si, do, re, mi. Okay. Okay, so that is actually what they play that video. Okay. Okay, so wherever you don't understand, hit me up.